All right. Hi, it's Brian. Checking on the bees. Time to see if they're needing another box. We got a good nectar flow going right now, so just a quick check to see if they need any more room. So pop it open. We're gonna try to get in here and see what it looks like. I see bees in the hole. Oh yeah. Hello, bees. Brian's here. Let's check out what we got. Let's check out what we got. 2, 3. Ooh. So I run a deep and a medium. It's my standard size. So I'm going to push these over here. Look out, ladies. I'm going to check this middle frame, see if it's got any brood on it. Excuse me. Let's see what we got here. A lot of nectar. I don't see any eggs. A lot of nectar. They got this drawn out, so I'm gonna take this fella over here because it's not as good. Slide them all down one. Sorry. Excuse me. Excuse me, D. Go to your friends. There you go. Let's see what we got on this outside edge here. Nectar, nectar, nectar. Drones, ladies. They have it drawn out. So, that means it's time for another box. Looks like I will be helping. Okay. We got our frames back together. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We got 10 frames. We're gonna get a queen excluder, another box for these girls because this is what they're going to keep. I'm going to take one seed frame and put it up top and drop them all down in there, and I'll be back with you. All right, we got our box. We're going to take out our seed frame to put up in the box to bring the bees up. So we're going to pull. Excuse me. One here. Good job, guys. I'm going to take one frame out of here. Yeah. And that's adding the super.